On the left is a regular phone shot. On the right is a high-value professional ad. The visual gap between them might be exactly what you've been trying to close and what justifies a higher price point. Making that shift doesn't require a photographer, just you and GPT Image 2, the model everyone's talking about. GPT Image 2's biggest strength is its understanding. Oil sheen, steam, the texture of ingredients. It can even lay out your English copy directly on the poster. That means no design software, no learning curve, just professional-grade marketing assets ready to use. Now, let me walk you through how I made this poster step by step.
All right, let's get started. Open LartAI, click on Generate, and select the GPT Image 2 model. Upload your food photo. Set the aspect ratio to 3:2, quality to high, and output format to JPEG. With that set up, the 3-step workflow below is all you need to follow. Step 1, fastest results. Swap the background. Forget the messy restaurant backdrop. Just tell the AI to build a premium studio setting. Solid deep red gradient and dark rustic wooden table instantly sets a classic, bold American style. A clean background lets your product take center stage. Now, the image looks great, but it's not your ad yet. Step 2 is the most important. Add your brand. You can upload your own logo or use my approach. Let AI generate an original one. I specified the logo's position, style, and text precisely. Key detail. I asked it to generate a fully original graphic logo and made sure to include no existing brand elements. This is your legal safety line, ensuring the poster is unique and commercially usable. The copy is handled in the same step. No extra layout needed. The final step, give it a soul. Use lighting to make the food irresistible. This is what takes an image from nice to, I want that. Warm studio lighting and soft highlights, the essence of professional food photography. Why save it for last? Because once the background and text are locked in, this light can serve the food alone, making it the undisputed focal point with texture that speaks for itself. Hit generate and look. The AI executes every instruction in one shot, like the most professional team you've ever worked with. The more complete and precise your prompt, the closer your result gets to professional quality. Here's the efficient pipeline in summary. First, swap the background to set the tone. Second, add branding to claim ownership. Third, add lighting to elevate texture. Your prompt is the script that directs the AI. If you learned something new from this breakdown, from background to lighting, please like and follow. That's the biggest support you can give me. Now, open LartAI. Try writing a prompt for your best dish using this background text lighting structure. Your next viral post might be just moments away. Can't wait to see what you share in the comments.